What's up, greens and cornbread family? We are back with another video, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. Today I am going to be making, I really don't even remember what I'm making in this video. Oh yeah, I'm making chicken teriyaki with broccoli and rice. So you see me clean off my broccoli, and now I am just going to cube up these chicken tenders that I had left in my freezer. And yeah, we're just gonna cut those up. I think that's about like 5 of them, so yeah. Alright, now the chicken is cut up, so we are just going to season it with some white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo. Yeah, that. We have gotten all our chicken seasoned up. I hope you guys seen the seasonings. If not, I will put them in the description box below. So I'm just gonna get a pan hot with some butter and some oil. And I didn't mix my chicken up yet, so here's me mixing it up. I know y'all probably gonna be like, why didn't you get the tendons out? Well, I didn't. So we're gonna add that to a pan, and we're just gonna sear that until it gets done to my liking. So right here I'm adding 2 cups of water because I'm going to make the perfect rice. You guys, we're not talking about my rice anymore, even though I like it mushy. So this is how I know how to make it right. And right here I am taking the chicken out because it's brown and it looks good and it tastes good and it's tender and it's ooh, it's good, goddamn it. I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much as I have. Y'all, this food turned out delectable. Look at that chicken teriyaki. And it's so easy to make at home. Just a simple, easy recipe. I'm going to put it down in the description box below. Come on, let's just adding a chive, just beautiful. So I just want to thank all our returning subscribers for continuing to support us, and for all our new subscribers, welcome to the Greens and Cornbread family. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified once I post. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you all again for the continued support. I love it. I love it. I love it. Again, we post Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, Greens and Cornbread family. We out.